The police are seeking the public assistance in order to ascertain the circumstances surrounding a crash that claimed a female life in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 7 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We ask you, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break with the details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Link 7 TV. Let's talk. Thanks for joining us once more for the program. So we have a situation that we want to talk about today, and it involves a motor vehicle accident that took place. And this motor vehicle accident took place in the Wildersville, St. Catherine, after some individuals were returning from a party. Might I warn you that this accident took place about 11 p.m. and with the current curfew measures that were in place, this should not have happened based on the regulations outlined by the local authorities, which set the local curfew time at 8 p.m. So in the initial stage of this, what this means is that no one should be found on the street after 8 p.m. unless you're either going to work or you have some legitimate business to be on the street. So these individuals were returning from a party when this unfortunate situation occurred. And now, unfortunately, a female has lost her life. So the police are investigating the circumstances surrounding this latest motor vehicle crash that took place in the Wildersville Main Road in St. Catherine, which claimed the life of Sashane Berry, who goes by the alias Halle Berry. So according to police reports, and these are just initial reports about the accident, is that about 11 p.m. police received a call that a car had run off the road, and this was according to residents. So officers who responded observed a gray Nissan motor car which appeared to have run off the road with Berry inside. She was taken to hospital where she succumbed to her injuries. So right now the police are asking anyone who have witnessed the accident or who have any information that could assist them in their investigation. They're asked to call the Shady Grove police station in order to provide police with this latest incident. But it's very shocking to see what happened here in this accident. And this female seemed to be very young, lost her life. So the Jamaica Constabulary Force stated that the incident happened about 11 p.m., 3 hours after the scheduled curfew time that was imposed by the local authorities. And the police right now are just trying to ascertain what could be behind this accident, whether speeding was a contributing factor. And this is not the first time that an accident has happened in this current era, as this would have been the second one, I believe. So it is also the same era where the cane truck driver developed some problems recently, and this is where it overturned, and also that was another serious accident that took place there as well. But a number of people have took to social media just in order to send their condolences to her, as she was a popular promoter, I'm told, and also a bartender in the area. And this is in the Wildersville area of St. Catherine where the accident occurred. And it's very sad to see what transpired here in this latest car accident. And what makes this so sad is that these individuals would have been out there beyond the curfew time, which was slated for 8 p.m. And the fact that they were coming from a party as well is very sad. I can't understand why people are still trying to go beyond just in order for that level of entertainment. We are in a global crisis right now, and if we are not adhering to the regulations or the steps that the government are taking in order to protect our lives and we are not adhering to these rules and regulations, this thing is just going to spiral out of control. And we have seen it steadily increasing over and over, especially in the area of Manchester, where this area has seen a mass increase in the number of positive cases just throughout this week. And the government have initiated these measures just in order to protect the lives of individuals. But we are seeing this becoming a trend where illegal parties are being hosted and people are trying to find that ways and means are going to that extent just in order to attend these parties. And when you look on this, the shut off time for any event right now would have been 8 p.m. So if you're going somewhere, you have to plan ahead and make sure that you're off the road before the 8 p.m. curfew. And when we look on how many people have been accosted by the police based on the fact that they have breached these regulations, it's very sad and it's very unfortunate. So we can't continue like this. We need to just start adhering to these regulations. And if you're hosting an event and you know it's gonna go over time, it's best to just give it some time until the government eases restrictions, because you're just gonna put yourself in problem and then you might just lose your life, just like what happened here in this latest accident that took place in St. Catherine. Now, this female, she was just actually on her way home from a party after having the time of her life, not knowing that this unfortunate situation would have occurred. And now look what transpired here in this situation. It's very sad and it's very unfortunate. And we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere and heartfelt condolences to the family and friends of Sashane Berry, who goes by the alias Halle Berry. Such a sad situation, such an unfortunate one, but we really need to start adhering to the regulations outlined by the government, because we can't continue like this as a country. We can't continue like this as a nation if we really want to overcome this pandemic that is sweeping the world. And we have seen how many lives this has claimed worldwide, and people are still not abiding by the regulations outlined by the government just in order to host a party. We have seen even a police officer losing his life in Clarendon after he attempted to shut down an illegal party. And we have seen so many instances of incidents occurring at these events based on the fact that they are not upholding the regulations outlined by the local authorities, which is very sad. So no permits are being granted for hosting of any public gathering until the pandemic has eased a bit. But people are still hosting these illegal events, and patrons are turning out based on the fact that they have been indoors or not able to be out there as they would want to from March of last year, when the onset of the pandemic bear down on the world. But we have to just know that these measures are just in place for our own safety, and we have to just continue to just protect ourselves in the best possible way. Very sad situation that happened to Sashane Berry, and I know that this is going to be a difficult time right now for the family and her friends after this was just an unexpected news that hit them over the weekend, and one that really needs to be investigated by the local police. And the police can't really ascertain what is behind this latest motor vehicle accident. Maybe speeding was a contributing factor, but it's still unclear and it is not confirmed yet by the local authorities. Well, this is where we're going to leave this report here for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Just drop it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this story. Thanks for watching as always. Please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, where we provide you with the latest updates on breaking news stories and also current affairs issues sweeping the world. This is where we say so long for now. Peace out and bless, and much respect to you as always for watching.